Nail care routine. How to get beautiful and healthy nails. Hello beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Achieving beautiful and healthy nails involves a combination of good nail care practices, proper nutrition, and avoiding damaging habits. Here are some tips to help you maintain your nails. Nail care routine. 1. Keep nails clean and dry. This prevents bacteria and fungi from growing under your nails. 2. Moisturize regularly. Use hand lotion or cuticle oil to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated. 3. Trim nails properly. Use sharp nail scissors or clippers and trim nails straight across, then round the tips in a gentle curve. 4. File nails correctly. File in one direction to prevent splitting. 5. Avoid harsh nail products. Limit the use of nail polish removers with acetone and choose gentle formulas instead. 6. Don't bite your nails. Biting can damage the nail bed and introduce bacteria. 7. Limit water exposure. Wear gloves when doing dishes or cleaning to avoid weakening your nails from excessive moisture. Nutrition for healthy nails. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your nails hydrated. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Ensure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals. Biotin, found in eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes, it helps strengthen nails. Protein, essential for nail growth. Good sources include lean meats, beans, and nuts. Zinc, found in oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds, it supports nail health. Iron, found in red meat, spinach, and lentils, it prevents nail brittleness. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, they keep nails moisturized. Vitamin E, found in sunflower seeds, almonds, and avocados, it supports nail health. Avoiding damaging habits. 1. Don't use nails as tools. Avoid using your nails to open cans or scratch surfaces. 2. Avoid gel and acrylic nails. Frequent use can weaken your natural nails. 3. Give your nails a break. Let your nails breathe by going polish-free for a few days each month. Professional care. 1. Manicures. Regular manicures by a professional can help maintain nail health. 2. Consult a dermatologist. If you have persistent nail problems, seek advice from a dermatologist. By following these tips, you can keep your nails looking beautiful and healthy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye and see you on my next video.